No mai, hoki mai. Welcome to Toy Time. Whakarongo mai. Can you hear the trumpets? It's party time. Hoki tātou. Woohoo!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama Jamal, Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes so you ride it on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Aya! Tama! Jojo! Buzz! Anika! Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're up to toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Ah, hey, hello! Welcome to the Toy Time whānau. Ko Jojo aho. Ko Maia tōku ingoa.
And I'm Tama. I'm so excited because it's all about insects. See? Check out my pet ants. They're so cute and tiny and they gobble up any crumbs that I feed them.
Kia ora, Pōpō Kuriki mā. Nice to meet ya. Hey, Tama, can we learn about the bees too?
Ooh, yeah, I love bees. Oh, I know. Let's form a club. The Aroha for Insects Club.
Oh, aroha for insects. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in. Oh, what about Punga Were Were? Can spiders be a part of the club too?
Actually, Maya, I'm not sure if a spider is technically an insect.
What? Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā koutou.
is a spider an insect?
An insect is a creature that has 6 legs and 2 antennae. Spiders have 8 legs and no antenna, so they are not insects. They are part of a different group of creatures called arachnids.
Ah, ka tahira. You learn something new every day. Ngā mihi, Mōhio.
I wonder what other insects we'll see today.
Insects with 6 legs and 2 antennae.
There are so many to choose from. Let's go.
Oh,
All right, this way.
Everybody thinks insects are small, but Aotearoa has the biggest of all. I climb trees and I walk the land. I'm so big, I'm as big as your head. I might look scary, but I'm oh so sweet. I love to dance, gotta move to the beat. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle, wiggle with me. Do the weather wiggle with me. Just like Vetu, the stars in the sky. I sleep all day, come out at night. I got big eyes and I don't have wings. I got 6 legs and I got 6 feet.
morning, everyone. Today we're making pariro pūrerehua, butterfly wings. We've already made Jojo's wings, see? And Tama's wings, titiro. Now, I'm just adding the final touches to my wings. My favourite part is adding the colour. Can we help? Oh, yes, please. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Done! Did you know that butterfly wings are symmetrical? That means that the patterns on both the wings are the same. I think it's time to put them on.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
1,
Oh, other side.
2.
Here.
Sorry, Tama.
It's okay.
You look beautiful, Maya.
Thanks, Jojo. Time to fly! Whee! Oh!
Whoa!
Titiro! Hemanu! Kaka! Kaka!
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm exploring the taiao. I want to find as many insects as I can. Hoa ke tātou. Look, I found some bees. Bees love flowers. They collect the nectar from them and turn it into honey. Bees make honey, and I love honey. And they go Buzz, and my name is Buzz. We're related. Hey, did you know that bees communicate by dancing? Maybe I can communicate with the bees. They said hi. Whoa. Look what I found, cuzzies. Whoa. Check it out. This is a weta whare. We have to be quiet, though, because they're nocturnal, so they only come out at night time. They're probably asleep, but let's check. They're asleep. Did you know that weta's ears are actually on their front legs? Can you imagine having your ears on your hands? That'd be different, eh? Hey, talk to the hand, cuz. Talk to the hand. Huh? I can't hear you. Yeah, talk to the hand. Can you hear that? Those are cicadas. Do you know cicadas are the loudest insects in the whole world? And it's only the males that make that sound. They're everywhere around here. Look. Whoa, check it out, cuzzies. I found some of the ancestors. Ko taranga tēnei, rawa ko makea, tēnā ko rua. They're the parents of Maui. And check out who else I found. Ah, this cheeky, handsome fellow with the beautiful korowai's eyes that shine like pawa, beautiful physique, reminds me a lot of myself. Ko Maui tēnei. Tēnā koe Maui. Ka kite. I've had so much fun exploring today and finding insects. I found heaps of insects. Oh, this is a beautiful place to spend some time in the taiao. Ka kite anō, whānau.
We're going on a weta hunt.
And we're gonna catch a big one.
Will you come too? Hoa ke tātou.
We're going on a weta hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. it's a beautiful day. Oh, look! It's some long grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We got to go through it. Swish, 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 swish.
We're going on a weather hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, it's Manuka scrub.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash, swish. We're going on a weather hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, a deep, dark cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go through it. We've got to go in it. Step, 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 step. Uh-oh. It's dark in here. I feel something. It's on my leg. It's on my back. It's a winter.
Hurry back through the Cody trees. Oma, Oma, Oma. Back through the Manuka scrub. Swish, swash, swish, swash.
Back through the long grass. Swish, 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 swish. Ah, whew. Back home safely. Phew, that was close. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah.
Knock, knock.
I wonder who that could be. Don't move. Buzz! Buzz! I bet it's the cuz!
What's up, cuz? Hey, what do you call a fly without wings? A walk.
Oh, what have you got there?
Oh, these are hula hoops.
I can do the hula.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. And then, oh, it's different. Oh, hey, that's me, bro.
To the garden?
To the garden.
To the garden. Huh.
Are you ready, little
Oh.
grasshopper?
Grasshopper? Oh. Yes, master.
Ah, okay. You need to jump from hula hoop to hula hoop all the way to the end without falling outside any of the hula hoops, okay?
Yes, master.
Think like a grasshopper. Smell like a grasshopper. Eat like a grasshopper. Oh, jump like a grasshopper. Ooh. Okay, gives it go?
Oh, ow.
Okay. Okay, your turn now, Tama.
I am the grasshopper!
Yes, you done it. Hey, Tama, what jumps higher than a grasshopper?
Me?
No, almost. A grasshopper with hiccups.
Oh, Buzz!
Give it a go.
Ta-da! Did someone call for a hero? I hear you have an insect emergency. Let me see. Oh, hello. 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just as I thought. Never fear. Super Anika is here. I'll let you in on a little secret. Some people are scared of insects, even some grown-ups. Ah! But you don't have to be. You can just leave the little creature where it is and just go about your day if you want to. Do-do-do-do-do. Chop, chop. See, we're all friends here. But if you really need to, you can move the little guy outside. All you need is one of these and this. You put the cup over the insect, careful not to squash its little toes. Then you slide the cardboard under here like so. Just jokes. Right, here we go. Got you, mister. Let's get you outside into nature. Come on.
Mahia!
Kia ora hoa.
Wolfie and I would like to play musical statues. So could you play us some music, please?
Of course. So I play the music.
Oh, and then you pause the music and we have to freeze.
Okay. Kia rite mai korua. Oh, ka pai. I see I'm working with some professionals here. Anei anō. Oh, ka aroha, Wolfie.
Oh, you won that time, Oma. Let's play again.
Mahia?
Hey, friends. Hey. Do you know Incy Wincy?
The spider.
Yeah, he lives in the water spout.
Yeah, well, out came the rain and washed poor Incy out.
Oh, no.
Don't worry. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain.
Oh, good. Did Incy climb back up the spout again?
Of course he did. No worries. It happens all the time.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Ah.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Join in on the actions if you'd like. They're very easy. Just follow after me. Ah, that's it.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. So Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
Do you know what, guys? Maybe Incy should find somewhere else to live.
Well, I moved him into your room.
What?
Just kidding. Oh, you don't think that's funny?
We're at the worm farm. Here's the top layer. In the top layer, it's where we put in all our scraps from lunchtime and morning tea. All our lunch scraps go in there. All these scraps are coming from all the lunch boxes, and this is where all the worms eat it from. It's in the banana. The second layer is called the casting layer, which is all the poops, and all the weeds fall to the bottom, so it comes out. I see free now. I see free. I'm holding it. Okay. It's my first time holding it, and it feels so gross. Now we're going to collect the wormweed. So we put the bucket here and we turn this so the wormweed can come out. And then we water the garden with the wormweeds. We're going to water the garden. And the wormweed is good for the plants and it helps them grow and it's good nutrients for the plants. Apple tree. I'm watering a lemon tree.
I'm Barry, the butterfly. Can I come hang out with you guys? Yeah, bro, sure. Okay, coming in. And I'm Sally. I'm Sally the scorpion. Can I come hang out too? Sure. Oh, thank you. And I'm... Whoa! This is the biggest insect I've ever seen. I wonder if it's the biggest insect in Aotearoa. Mohio! Ko wai ka mohio?
I bet I do. What would you like to know?
Can you tell me what is the biggest insect in Aotearoa?
The biggest insect in New Zealand is the weta punga, the giant weta. Weta punga are native to New Zealand. They live in the forest and they only move around at night time.
Oh, it's like this, but giant. Katahira.
There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a spider. It loves to tickle me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It is a bee. It loves to buzz, 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 but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend. There's a creepy crawly on my hand. It's a cicada. It loves to sing to me, but now it's waving goodbye. Please don't go. I enjoyed my time with you. You are my best friend.
Are you okay, Maya?
Yes, and a little bit no. I love playing What's in the Box. I'm a little bit nervous that it might be scary.
It's nothing scary in there, I promise.
Well, what is it?
You'll have to put your hand in and see. It's the game.
Okay, well, I trust you, Jojo, so I'm going to be brave and do it. Okay, here I go. Oh! Okay, well, it feels a bit crispy. And there's a rustling noise too.
Do you know what they might be?
Oh, I think I do. I find these stuck to the trees in my garden in summer. They are kihi-kihi, aren't they?
Koina, great guess, Maya. They are shells from the kihi-kihi, the cicada.
Oh.
When a young cicada grows into an adult cicada, it gets too big for its shell, so it leaves it behind. It's called molting.
This is their old shell. Wow. Kihi-kihi are so clever. And I love the sound that they make too. I know. Let's add them to the Aroha for Insects Club.
Oh, welcome to the club, Kihi-kihi Ma.
Alex and tēnā koe. Amanda and Arthur and tēnā kōrua. Oh, I mean Austin. Oh, Austin Amanda? Which one? Oh, it doesn't matter because I love you all. e aroha atu ana.
My favorite insect is a weta.
Is it a weta? And why do you like wetas?
Because they got big legs.
And that one's called a tusked weta.
They look all similar.
Butterflies are quite cute, aren't they?
A monarch.
Oh, good.
Do you love to see lots of insects?
Yeah, I do like to see lots of insects. I like to see lots of butterflies.
We do colouring in. I love mine. We have lots of colours. Yeah. My favourite colours are black, white and yellow. Ella, do you like my grass? Yeah. That looks pretty cool.
It's nice feedback, isn't it? Yeah, you want to show your friends?
These ones. Whoa. Look like mine. Wow, that's so awesome.
Okay, Nana, ask you if you're a cheeky monkey.
Look, you are. Bye.
Talofa lava. I'm Lucky, and this is story time. Today's story is about finding a very tiny creature in Tavita's garden. Tiny creatures. Tavita was in his backyard searching for one of his favourite tiny creatures, Leloi, the ant. Tavita explored the concrete with his magnifying glass. Scan, scan, scan. Sue, 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 sue. On his search, he saw many other tiny creatures. He saw bees from his mum's hives, collecting honey from the manuka flowers. Then he saw a centipede, its many legs scrambling across the path to find a rock to hide under. Tavita tugged at a piece of old ponga, and out came lots of slaters, followed by a weta, who slowly scurried back into its burrow. Caterpillars arched and stretched on the swan plant as they looked for a new leaf to munch on. Tavita looked up and saw beautiful monarch butterflies flying around the Pōhutakawa flowers. He had searched everywhere, but still, no ants. Then suddenly, out from a tiny crack they marched. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Tavita was surprised by the ants and how many there were. And all that time, they were right beneath his nose. He realised that sometimes you just have to be patient and look very carefully. Whāsui fō. We'll see you again.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whāsoi whā, e noho rā. Ka kite anō,